Oppolia leveraged the Industry 4.0 production system for windows and doors manufacturing. In the industry, we are the only company that has achieved full integration of research, development, and production, the only one with a seamless design-to-order system, the innovator that has automated processing for insulated glass production, and the only supplier that has multi-production sites and stores for efficient delivery. The flexible glass production line is integrated with intelligent manufacturing facilities. With automated operation, cutting, and processing, we built intelligent production systems to unlock efficiency. Our production line utilizes German-imported intelligent equipment for precision and efficiency. With premium materials and precise manufacturing, we pursue excellence in every detail. Oppolia windows and doors would always be your start for exceptional living.